Out the beat of drums and horns and wide variety of musical instruments such as the mbila. Although traditional drums, strings and wind instruments were a staple over the course of history and with various Western influences in music, the electric guitar was introduced by General M.D. Shirinda and has ever since been a prominent feature in their music. Presenting the award for Best Xitsonga album, please welcome the premier of Bokone Pope Honorable Subra Mahuma Ekelo, TV personality, Taco Tablet. Okay, that's how I get stage. Okay. And here are the nominees for Best Xitsonga album. The nominees are So Jabatani below. And the winner is Sir Jabatani.